It's a Dinkum Navigator. It's a Dinkum Navigator, go up to 160 kilos with an 85-90 passenger on the back, up to 40 kilometres from a single charge. Available Australia-wide, designed in Australia, designed by Abicare. But as you can see, they're at the Aged Care Expo 2021. You've got a couple using the Dinkum Navigator. The suspension all around. So with the suspension all around, it gives you a smooth drive. Designed for anybody with a partner, carers, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. But we'll leave it with you because it looks like the couple's going to go off and disappear off into the sunset. Well, thanks very much for watching the video. Make a comment.